Oh, I don't even know if I want to put my hair in a bun. Like these curls just look so good. Watch my last hair tutorial video, you'll know that I have this color in my hair. I'll link the video up in the cards above, but this is like day 7. Okay, so this is Saturday, December the 19th that I'm recording this video, and you all will see this video. This is day 7 hair. Tomorrow I will be washing out my hair, doing my whole style for the week, but I just want to show you how good my curls still look. Like I could pull this off a whole nother week if I wanted to, but we ain't gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. So before I wash this color out, I want to get me a really cute bun, a really top knot curly bun with the color just popping through, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna put my hair up into a curly bun, and I'm gonna share with you all how I do that. Now I do have a video here on my channel that I made over a year ago, which nothing really changed, but I just wanted to do it now that I have this color in my hair. So to lay my hair down, I'm going to be using my favorite gel, which is the Eco Styler with argan oil, which looks like this. I shared this with you all several times on my channel, but I just love, I'm never canceling Eco, okay? Oh, no. No. I love it for my hair, so this is what I'll be using to lay down my hair. You can use whatever gel or whatever edge control, however you want to do it to lay your hair down. You know your hair better than I do. This is just what works for my hair, so you can pick your favorite gel. Next, I have my bristle brush. I have this super stretchy hair tie, which looks like this. I love these, and I also brought out my satin scrunchie, which looks like this as well, because I wasn't sure whether or not I want to make my bun like tight to my hair. I don't know, but we just want to go with the flow. So both of these are linked in my Amazon store, as well as my spray bottle. Check it out in the description box below. I also have my edge brush. I've been getting real good with using this, y'all. I mean, practice makes perfect, but I'm so used to using my toothbrush that this wasn't working for me in the beginning, but I'm getting better with it. Oh, I don't even know if I want to put my hair in a bun. Like these curls just look so good. All right, so first things first, I'm going to bring my hair up. I don't even remember if I put my hair in a bun since I had it cut, so I don't even know, you know, how much hair on my head just hanging out, but my curls are so tight, it's probably not going to be that big of a bun, but this is probably where I want to have my bun at, like about right there. Oh, maybe we can't even do a bun because my curls so tight. This might just be like a high puff situation. So this is what it's looking like. So the first thing I like to do is take my bottle of water and just spray around the perimeter of my hair before I add any product. This is just to loosen up some of the product that I already have in my hair from this wash and go. So being as though that I have this color in my hair, I'm not going to soak it because the color is going to come out. So I'm just so I'm just wetting around the perimeter of my hair. But anyway, so I'm just wetting the perimeter of my hair. Let me pull it up some so it don't drip down in my face no more. So the color is transferring to my hands because of course I add water to it. This is a washable dye color, so it does come out with water and it's on my hands. I should have put some gloves on, but I wasn't thinking. So anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and put our gel in our hair. So I'm gonna grab about this much and I'm gonna put this all around the areas where I sprayed the water at. So next I'm going to take my bristle brush and just brush my hair up. Try not to disturb my curls at all. I want to keep them nice and popping the way that they look. So I'm just brushing up my hair around the edges so it could lay nice and neat. I think I'm going to make this high puff a little tight, so I'm going to be using this hair tie right here. So I'm just going to double it up because it stretches really good, and then I probably wrap it 2 times. Let's see. No, 2 times is good because I'm not trying to get a headache. So 2 times is good enough for me. I'm just going to leave it like a puff instead of a bun because my hair is, I mean, I could do a bun, but I like the puff better. I'm just adjusting my puff to fill out the top of my head so it's nice and cute, so it's not like tight here or leaning this way. I want it to look nice and full, so I'm just fluffing it out like that. You actually can stop there. So I love how the color is just popping out of this puff like this. I'm I'm still thinking about dyeing my hair. I really am, but I just like how the color is popping like that. But y'all know this is not finished. Oh, look at my hands. Hands have color on them, but y'all know I gotta lay these edges, so let me do that real quick. So I'm gonna take my brush, dip it into my gel, and just, I don't know if I can do this on camera. It's kind of hard, but I'm gonna try. So I really don't pull out like baby hairs or adolescent hair, I guess I should call them that, but I don't pull them out. I just kind of swoop my hair a little bit just to add some dimension. I feel like this is kind of plain, you know, so let me do that real quick. So here is what my edges look like once I lay them nice and neat. I feel like you would never catch me with just a regular ponytail. I gotta have some type of swoop because this is like the big head girl hack or the big forehead girl hack. So I really need that. It add a lot of dimension to my ponytail and don't make it just look like a regular puff. It give it that little, you know, pizzazz. But this is just my go-to style. I really love it. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you do with your wash and goes once they're old? Do you throw it up in a bun? Do you throw it back in a little sleek ponytail? This is mainly my go-to style. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas video.